Hello everybody. This video was not planned, but I wanted to take the time to thank you so very much for the support and all the new subscribers and everything that happened in the last week. It was amazing, overwhelming, heartwarming, it was everything. I'm flabbergasted. All the long-time subscribers and supporters, and now all the new people that left a comment or gave a thumbs up or subscribed. Really, thank you very much for that. And as a token of my thanks, I have a quick preview of what is coming on in the next video. And that next video will be released in 1 week. And for now, really grateful. And yeah, I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.